Everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. This is a basic level phonics lesson. Today we're going to be practicing sounding out words that contain the O, D, and C sounds. All right, so review these sounds. Go ahead and try to make each sound on your own, and then we'll listen to check.
S, A, T, I, F, M,
A,
N,
All right, we'll listen again, and this time you'll pick out the sounds that you hear.
F, A, I, M,
A,
T, N, S, P.
All right, I'll play it again, and this time I'll mark down the answers or number these in the order that they say them.
F, A, I, M,
A,
T, N, S, P.
All right, now try to read these words by sounding them out and then reading the full word, and then restart the video to listen to check your answers.
T, I, N, tin, T,
A,
N, tan, F, I, N, fin, F,
A,
N, fan, S, T,
A,
M, P, stamp, M, A, T, mat,
All right, now we're going to learn some new sounds. As always, this is the letter O, and we're showing how you would make the O. I actually start from this direction, but the uppercase and the lowercase O are the same. Again, make sure that you're paying attention to the diagrams as to what your mouth should be doing when you make this O sound.
A, 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 octopus,
And we can use O at the beginning or in the middle of the word.
A, N, on, M, A, M, mom,
Right, now read each of these words, sounding them out, and then saying the full word, and then listen when you're ready to check.
P, A, P, pop, M, A, P, mop, N, A, T, not, t, ah, top,
All right, now we're going to practice the D sound. Again, here is how you write the D, the uppercase D and the lowercase d. And again, pay attention to the mouth position.
d, 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 dog,
All right, and here we see D at the beginning and at the end of the word. So let's listen.
d, I, d, did, s, ah, d, sad,
Okay, so read each of these words, sounding them out and then reading the full word, and then restart the video when you're ready to check.
ah, d, mad, d, I, dim, ah, d, pad, d, I, dip,
All right, and now the C sound. Again, here's how we make both the upper and lowercase c. And as always, remember to pay attention to your mouth diagram.
k, 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 cat, k, ah, p, cap, ah, k, t, act,
All right, now read the words and then listen to check.
k, ah, t, caught, k, ah, d, cod,
and
n, can, f, ah, k, t, fact,
Now read these words and then listen when you're ready to check.
ah, d, mad, s, ah, d, sad, ah, mom, d, ah, d, dad, d,
and
n, Dan, d, ah, t, dot,
All right, Now read these words, and then again, you can restart the video and recheck when you're ready to check your answers.
at, cat, aw, pot,
and,
n, n, aw, cannot, s, aw, stop, s, I, d, sid, t, aw, m, Tom.
All right, now you're going to listen and write the words down. I'll play it twice. The first time, write down your answers. And then the second time, I will fill in the correct answers as we go so you can check your work.
Top, mom, dad, cat, dog, pot, top, mom, dad, cat, dog, pot,
All right, so now we want to review the sight words. So remember, these are words that you can't sound out, you just have to memorize them. So go ahead and read them if you can remember, and then you can restart the video to listen to the correct answers.
the, is, of,
All right, now read the sentences, and then we'll listen so you can check your pronunciation.
mom is mad, dad is sad,
Again, read the sentences on your own, and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers.
Dan and Sid stop. The dog is tan.
All right, now look at the pictures and tell the story, and then listen to check your pronunciation.
The cat is on top of the cap.
See the cat on top of the cap. So we're going to look at the picture and then read the story. And then we'll listen.
The cat is in the pot.
So this time, here's the cat right there in the pot. Now look at the pictures, read the story, and we'll listen again.
Mom and Dad cannot stop the cat.
All right, so now you're going to read the entire story again, so be sure to read it out loud. And then when you're satisfied, you can restart the video and check your pronunciation against theirs.
The cat is on top of the cap. The cat is in the pot. Mom and Dad cannot stop the cat.
All right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.